Hi, I am Pulse RN and I work in a cardiac OR, and every day we fix hearts. And I like to make these videos because I want you to stay away from the OR. So I try to bring you little tricks and tips and information so that you can understand a little bit more what happens in your heart. And I want you also to keep it nice, healthy, and beating strong. So like, share, follow, and comment if this is the content that is for you. So today I wanted to talk about the reason why heart disease is the #1 killer across the globe. And this is because of the blockages in the actual heart arteries, which are called the coronaries. And the coronaries are the blood vessels that are around your heart that brings oxygen to the heart muscles, all right, that makes your heart pump. So if you take the heart and look at it for what it truly is, it actually is a pump. All right, so it has two sides. You have the right and the left. And the pump is surrounded with muscles, which needs energy to work. And the energy is the oxygen. So this is transferred through the coronaries to the heart muscles. But just before, I want to maybe do a little snippet on how the heart works. So as I said, you have two sides, the right and the left. So on the right side, you have the blood that comes back that has no more oxygen in it because it has been delivered throughout the body. It comes back through the atrium, the ventricle, and then it goes into the lungs where all the red blood cells are attaching the molecules of oxygen with the hemoglobin. And then it brings back to the left atrium, the left ventricle, and then it pumps it into the entire body. So your heart muscles, 100% needs oxygen to work good. So if I say that one of the coronaries get affected or blocked, what do you think is going to happen? Yes, obviously, it's going to have an impact on the strength and the efficiency of the pump, right? So this can happen in two ways. It's either it can be partially blocked or totally blocked. You're following me? So we're going to try to explain this a little bit more. So when there is 100% blockage in the coronaries, the part of the heart muscles right after the blockage is going to die because it's lacking oxygen. This is what a heart attack is. So it is very important to keep those coronary clear. I made a video yesterday on little tricks to keep them nice and clear. So if you want to check it out, it's just, I just posted it yesterday. So I hope this helps understanding a little bit more about the heart and why it is important to always try to make the right decisions to keep the coronary clear. I know that you've got this. So I'm going to say, until the next time, Tolu.